Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
How's it? What's happening?
You know, same old, same old. What's up with you?
No, you know what it is? The usual. I've just got a quick one though. I know that sometimes I call and then, you know, it's always an irritation of what. Up until I realized that I'm always asking the irrelevant things. And when I looked at your number on Truecaller, the end up on, but you guys actually give fashion advice. So
What does it say on Truecaller? What does it say on Truecaller?
fashion police. So I wanted to find out, like, in 2025, do people still wear torn jeans?
Apparently you guys do.
Injani le torn jeans? Say injani?
I
Where
don't
are we?
own a pair anymore, and I
Really?
used to love them so much.
Awuboni out yenxibe mhlawumbe ijini ezidolo ejinini, for example.
I just know he's too young for me.
Oh really? Oh, okay. Amakhotmana wenxibe torn jean.
No.
Ah.
Manzithi che amadolo. I'm like,
Okay.
la chap.
100%. So I think what I'll do then, after I get the food off my face, is I'll definitely call in for more fashion tips and advice. in the future.
What happened? Yes, it used to be. I thought it was a cool trend.
Yeah, but I don't. The trend is just that.
Yambi pindi yek.
Yambi pindi yek. So kufuneka senze show no B1 fashion police. Screenshot abantu.
Baba man. Abantu banabazali.
Oh, Talita, uyayoyika into ethethisayo, Manuel. No, like, awufuni ke just breathe life into the podcast.
What are you doing? It's lifeless.
Sensitsho nje, man. Ke sibe nento ethethisayo.
Never. You can forget about it. You can do it. I won't be here that day. Because I also don't want you to not live your dreams. So,
Yeah, but I want to leave them with you.
no. The only reason why I couldn't do fashion police is that if people looked up his
Full
outfits,
pass.
yeah,
Police ain't perfect. Police commit crimes all the time.
yeah, but the police gotta at least come to the party with something.
Kaloku izawube ingcolile outfit yakho ngaloo mini upresenta ngayo.
Yeah, but then when people go back onto your Facebook and they're like, bruh, come on.
Womncinci fonini, come on.
And
Sobe sithethe ngento yangoku thina babhuti boots zakho. Not knowledge.
And then people go through the whole of the podcast this year and they go, look at what this lady's been serving. T-shirts.
I tell you, people forget, bro. Over time, the internet completely forgets.
No, I don't like to. I don't like to gezela want to.
Asabagezela, so tell the honest opinion. There's a difference.
Everything is nice. Oh, she looks so lovely. Look at that beautiful dress.
Okay, we won't do that. Guys, welcome to it. Your show, The Bling Line. The show that we use to take the time out to read your comments as well as respond to them, to tell you what we kind of think about them, where our thoughts are, and just to add our own little spice and flavor to what you guys have had to say.
Perfect. And without any further ado, we'll just continue. See.
100% Zuko Ndima is my name.
Oh, how's it, Zooks?
Host with the most, you know what it is.
Talita Ndim low now.
Team low. 100%. Let's jump straight into it. Luseko Sivenati Diki. Uti. I always try and remember, but BAP episode.
99.
Being episode 99.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What were we talking about?
We were talking about
Test.
testing.
Did he test in Google? Did
But-
he fuck testing?
Well, I don't. We'll find out just now.
Utuluseko, this was such a beautiful episode, and I also supposed, and this was such a beautiful episode, and I also was supposed to run for the first time, but what I took from it, God is in control, and we move doing Deadly Dozen in the next few weeks. Let's go! Because what am I going to do with all that fitness? Akekho umuntu oprinta iskipper, guys. Izikipper ezithi, what am I going to do with all this fitness? Oh, those would fly off the shelves. I definitely would buy it. Khake zaphinde zithengwe nangabantu
abangekho
abangena fitness. But yeah, asko lapho. But honestly speaking, I thoroughly enjoyed this episode, and I see myself in Talita. And I love your relationship as siblings. And ke unyanisile Talita, Zuko, calling yakho, calling yakho ungayiphosi, very positive, Jen, and it's refreshing. Ingadi shower ebandayo nesama. Ogqiba yophuma eshaweni uthi watermelon. Thank you so much for that comment, Luseko.
Every day. Yeah. Thanks for that. That was really cool. So enye into besithetha ngayo nokubalisela yi-race.
Yeah.
Ne?
Oh wow. Okay.
And then we were also talking about planning for things.
Okay.
For life, for the next 5 years.
Okay.
Something
cool.
like that.
100%. So calling yam wow busiti. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, fair. Thank you for that comment. Kandun. Yeah, now I always watch abantu abashumayelayo in awe, and I'm just like, how, bro, do you do this? Beggy. Gems after gems after. But I suppose if you also if you spend enough time doing something,
yeah,
and you also go to school for it and you learn how to do it, it becomes easier.
For sure.
I suppose because if ever I'm asked to talk, then I'm always like stress. Because
it's not something you do all the time.
Because it's not something that I do all the time.
Yeah.
But it's a calling, man. It's not everyone's calling. But then I don't know what to say. Then if you're under pressure.
Okay, we'll leave you with that for your heart. I see Twani says, what a profound episode. This really spoke to me as I'm learning that the goals we set aren't just about achievement, but about walking in the purpose God already saw in us. I've been so skeptical about commenting, and Andikwazanga was bamba with this.
Let's go.
And Betuna, your episodes never miss. They're filled with so much wisdom, truth, and encouragement. You guys truly are a gift. Siyabulela.
Oh, Siyabonga. Thank you so much for that, Asi. Much appreciated. We're so glad that we got you to comment.
Yes.
And I'm glad that your comment also came up. But yeah, to that point as well, I think for me, it's also, I also get so much from rewatching episodes. It's so weird. And it's especially weird hearing something that you said, which could very possibly be linked to something that you think and something that you believe in. And I take so much from the episodes and watching the episodes, rewatching the episodes. So not only kind of like shooting them as we shoot them now, as unplanned as they are, but also when it comes back, but it also comes back to then us rewatching the episodes. I also definitely gained so much. So thank you so much, guys. And you guys have done this. Because without you, do you think we'd still be doing this?
No.
Hi, Talita.
Hi, but
it's not worth it if there's no views.
No, but I'm saying, look, I need to take time out of my day, petrol. I have to drive here. I wanna
to grow and learn and develop. Okay. Khawuze.
Wait.
Okay, sinazi followers.
Okay, zingapi mhlawumbe?
400. Ne?
Eh.
And njengoba 400 average views, mhlawumbe izibhapha phako, mhlawumbe xa high 50. Yabo? But
We've been doing this for 3 years.
i-comment zinje. Hayi zilove comments. The content is the same.
So
The
what is
comments
the
are the
problem?
same.
What's our problem?
What do you mean? What's the problem?
Why are average views at 50?
Because they just are.
Just because.
Because people don't like that kind of content.
What are we doing? Like phone us no call. You don't have
Oh, Dana's this lay queen. You're doing this for the numbers.
No, we don't have to come here and do it. Phone us no call.
Why?
Because phone us no call.
But Dalila, we haven't been able to do this in over 30 years.
Yes, and we've started, so we can continue, and it doesn't have to be at the studio.
What?
It can be at home. Why are we in the studio?
Okay, for some odd reason, something happens. We get banned off the internet. What? Are you calling me on a weekly basis for us to chat?
I'm going to have to.
Sense podcast. Then I can't believe it.
It's hard to think of not
I
doing.
don't understand. Sorry. Go ahead.
It's hard to think of doing this just for myself.
Oh yes. What do you mean?
Yes,
What
I
about
partly
me?
do it for me. I partly do it for you, but I partly do it for Abana Babukele as well.
Okay, so umzekelo, ne? Kai split out of 100% of why you do this. How much is for you? How much is for me? How much is for viewers? For Nyanseka.
I
Tell the
don't
truth.
know.
Shame the devil. Huh?
I don't know. I think it's 50% for the viewers.
Wow. Bawel by viewer.
25%.
Ngicela now. Botshini wele. Umlebelele ngalo mini. Ngibele outfit.
25% for you and 25% for me.
Okay. Happy when I get those.
Let's go.
That obviously has changed.
What do you mean?
Because in the beginning, when you were shooting episode 1, that wasn't the same thing because you didn't have a single view. And it's only over the past year that it's been like, wow. Now, my question is, unyamezeli 2 years. Hey, Talita, there's a lot wrong with this thing that you're saying. But
investigate. And?
I see so investigate. Askaqib.
All right. Thanks, Asi, for that.
Thanks, Asi, guys. You are ngaphandle kwenu. Ndingekho apha. Ndifonelo. Apparently. Abongile uthi, I'm listening to this episode on my way to work. It's Monday. I skipped the gym this morning to leqa a meeting only to find out it has been cancelled. Listening to you guys lifts up my mood. Ndiyihleka eTaxini ibe ngaske ndithi masimamele sonke. Celi ox ku driver show. Ndifike ngoMay apha eKapa and I don't do much the weekend except going to the gym and reading okanye ndilale. I definitely know omakhelwane bam senza ezo small chats. Angicazi isiXhosa ke bro. Njengoba ngu-S lo ngesixhosa nguz small. I travel a lot, so we catch up nje sometimes andibuze nange-traveling leyo. Get the best friend. Yeah?
Get your best pal.
Yeah. Engane yami sifunda ikhasi. Yakhumbula zani ze-bone thugs man. You're putting a curse on your life. Abazali kudala balwa ne-hip hop.
Nomtevula.
Yeah, my bro. Oh, that's dope. Thank you for that, Abongile. Yeah, man. jonge le nto yakhe uba nge-weekend ndiyazijimela, I read okanye ndilale. I like the relationship nomakhelwane, and that's mna ke umakhelwane person, even though I'm not. By the way, disclaimer, ndimazi ngegama umakhelwane wam lo ngapha mazi ebusweni igama lakhe so now I've got definitely something to do. But also, yeah, so I've got some more to do. Because the people that do enjoy and the people that have been telling us that they enjoy.
It sounds nice.
Yeah.
My neighbor left. No, the one that I dibana now. Yeah.
Oh.
She left.
I
was so sad. Yeah. And then I saw she was like extremely pregnant. I hadn't seen that before.
Okay.
It's like, we need more spice. Okay.
So kuyilonto.
Yeah,
Uzolinda omnye umuntu ozayo.
Oh, angathi qine. Oh.
Into ezifani.
Angxole abethu umuntu wakhe balwe.
Oh, when did they leave? Beginning of the month.
Yeah.
So nobolandela uzofika December.
Yeah, I know, but because I come to ngomva.
And this is direct next door.
Yeah.
Not next door, opposite.
True.
Not back, opposite. This data.
Anyway, to akhona phoswayo qale wasithi Jesus ke 14 rand. I finally met the siblings. You guys are such a lovely people. Talita wasiganga ngoba she's falling apart. That time.
So nakanga zingceba.
That time umuntu is drop dead gorgeous. Oh, thanks. But yes, so Tini, we're all about validating this side. Zuko is definitely ready to be husband Gamam Zupela. And Londo, he's such a host, welcoming and friendly, top tier hospitality.
Then fully PNP.
Thank you for having us at Workshop 17. It was such a lovely episode. Yeah, guys, I saw that they make sure for the next live episode.
I'm gonna post for marketing manager. Let's go.
You guys are kindness embodied. Oh,
what a beautiful comment, man. And you've been there with us from the beginning. Uloku manu sit. Awusiphi imali usenzela fresh siyabulela kakhulu. Thank you so very, very much for that.
I want imali at Christmas. Oh my God.
And we're super glad that you enjoyed the live that we had. We had a good time. And I think we haven't spoken about it now because we'll probably speak about it with Bling Line Yayo. Yeah, but it was a great fun time. And let's definitely do it again soon.
For sure.
Let's go.
Thanks, Akona.
Thank you for that. Next one is from Aviwe Mnikina. Hey, isixhosa sam. Oh, ninjena ke bodlamini. Sithi sisakhitheka nisuke nize netopic ejulisa ingqondo. Ezijulisa ingqondo. I love that so much about you guys. I'm so jelly of the people who got to come to the show. Askisi Buddha. Come to the show in. Yeah, man. Look, and I think on that, I find it such a fun way to learn.
What?
Oh,
yeah, for sure.
I find it such a fun way to learn, and I'm so glad that it kind of works. And it works with us as well, that we don't really focus on one side, but we're able to keep both sides kind of in a balance.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. A balance. I think a good one too.
Yeah, and I think it's a good representation of life.
Yes.
You understand? And or maybe even of what life should be, you know? You can laugh. Sometimes you laugh about the serious things. Sometimes you are serious about the things that are funny. And just a good, nice mixture, balance. I think when I speak to life or speak about life, I think balance for me is the word that comes out. And I'm so glad that we managed to do that oftentimes.
For sure, as you guys have told us, so we can only but believe you.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, thank you so much for that. That's Kisman, you couldn't come to the live show. But if the last two that we've had, look, I mean, at the end of the day, the last time we had a live, the first time we had a live show, kwakungo 2023. Ayabikho kulo nyaka kupheleyo. Kulo nyaka bekukho 2. So ke if we look at that, mhlawumbi khona lezayo. Mhlawumbi singamvusa no once per quarter. There you go, God. Over to you. Ithethile ke ngoku. God will make it happen.
See to finish.
Yes. Thank you.
What do you, Mrs. A of Joburg? Lo gama usakhangela. Oh, ndiyayithanda indlela esithetha ngayo isiXhosa. Ndagqibela nini ukuva umuntu ethi lo gama ungathi lo mzuzu.
That's so funny. And you know what? Speaking isiXhosa almost intentionally makes you realize ukubulula amagama akudala. Because I'm also just like the way probably my Xhosa has improved over the past 3 years.
For sure.
Even though this is not a Xhosa show.
No.
By no means, but just speaking it more often. I feel like I speak more Xhosa than usual.
When now?
Yeah, now. Over the past 3 years, I've spoken more Xhosa than
for sure.
I used to.
No, for sure.
Which is actually quite cool.
Yeah.
I've never really noticed that.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Up until now. So that's fresh. That's super cool.
Very cool. Thanks, Mrs. A of Joburg. Stick beside us. You'll hear more of those kind of words.
There we go.
What is Charmaine? Oh, so much.
Ja, for kopiende for yazinde mana zam.
It's Charmaine Matebula. It is when Zuko said, is it something I said? This is one thing that constantly lingers after every denial. It's frustrating, therefore I make the effort to ask Mna. It is extremely mentally taxing to wonder, Ukuti truly, is it something I said? I once sat in an interview where they probed so much about my family and son. Haibo, it was invasive, only to not get the job because the candidate I was up against did not have a family and therefore was more flexible.
Didn't get the job.
Yeah, he didn't get the job. Charmaine didn't get the job. Anyway, be smart about how you respond to interview questions. The people interviewing you really do not care. Certain questions are to probe into if you will be as flexible as the company desires.
Yeah, and you know what? I think that's also, I don't know, obviously I think it's a bit unfair. Well, not obviously because nothing is obvious.
Nazog. Hallelujah.
But I'm also just like, we were having a conversation about this with a mate of mine and we were just like, number one, people, like, well, we didn't speak about this, but abantu bayashaya as people. So ngoku it's brought yeah. So it's brought employers to a place now whereby they almost feel like they need to trick you into answering a question so that they can pull out from your answer whether you are flexible because we are all flexible. So unabantwana bayi-30. Oh. Obviously the flexible ndifuna ukuphangela also. Super. Oh, so that's a little bit unfair. But on the flip side, so what we were actually talking about is that also, companies don't know, and people that are interviewing, sometimes they don't even know what they're looking for. Bazakubuza yonke into le. Bazakubuza what ChatGPT said they must ask you and not even really get a sense of what it is that you're saying. And sometimes kwalomdu interviewer, you probably know more than them on the span than they know. And now they're so there's literally no right answer. The only right answer is the true answer.
Yeah, true.
Is the answer we thingayo, and we just have to go through those processes, unfortunately. And maybe sometimes, I always like to say, maybe blessing in disguise that you didn't get it, but or whatever the case may be.
And,
because some places, man,
because
zine culture wrong. We understand. But yeah, it's just that it's unfortunate that you never know what the answer is that they're looking for.
Yeah, and I just feel like then that's not something you can stress too much about. And
Yeah,
if
shouldn't.
izabaya yako mchana, whether you lie or you say the right answer or the wrong answer.
Hayi, but abanye they lie and they get it. Son.
Hey, do you want to be one of those people?
I mean, 2.2 million per year, excluding bonuses. I'm available 24 hours around the clock. In fact, I as short as hours. It's 8 to 5. Now ndifuna uphuma 10. Ndifuna uphuma 10.
That's too much. That's too much.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, Askis, man, it's just that gay.
My thing about lying is that one day you know it's gonna come out.
It's fine. After 3 years. Because I check my matric certificate and then they turn denial. Oh my guy. It was young.
I'd be so scared. Then one day someone's just gonna be like, at the end of the day, also go to you just quickly do that for me. I want it in the morning.
And I go to the motor see, oh, where you drop us somewhere.
No ways.
Oh,
now you're learning.
Lifestyle. And then I was like, tickets now. Something that you could have, but after 3 years, you could have done your matriculate years.
You could have done your license.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Actually, if you have to lie.
What? This is not financial advice. She's not a financial advisor.
If you have to lie.
Whoa. I actually legitimately don't want to hear this.
Okay, fine. I'll say it quietly. If you have to lie, ne?
Lolly.
Not the lolly. Lie, ne? But make sure license. Make sure you're on your way working towards a license. Don't lie and just relax. Lie and then do something.
Okay. Yeah. Disaster. I didn't hear what you just said. But what I did hear is make sure. Oh! Oh! You must just know, bruh. Once someone says make sure. Dog, I'm willing to say, guys, no buhleli pane. Uhleli ne therapist yakho. It make sure puma up. Imali yakho kudala ityiwa. Maybe that person lied. Whoa, make sure it's such a trigger. Oh, for me. You, son. Toza Mambim. Uti flew all the way from Johannesburg to support my bestie who lives in Cape Town for the run. Look, Zugo is right. Everyone wanted to run. Everyone wanted the run to happen. After you get to run, they come you too. Everyone wanted the run to happen, even us as the supporters. Because I wanted to hear about the last stretch and loop of death. No, babi. Also, I'm surprised Zugo didn't join the other runners for a 21K. I know a sign when I see it. That morning. Anyway, I had a great holiday, as did all of us, right? Yeah, Manaskis. Maybe because we are supported and you are supposed to. Hey, bona mosela bale ayona ginywa ifishi jalo njalo. Now, mhlambi wena malibuya rana. Go kuthina saginywa ifishi because wena you are not running, you're supporting your friend. So next time you'll see you on the start line. Yeah, come to 42 kilometers from Orma Umdu Ati. No, man, you better.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, I didn't run the 21 that morning. I ran a 5, bro.
Nice.
I ran a 5. Yeah, I ran a 5 or a 6. But to my defense, we were staying about 2 kilometers from the start. And I ran to where the run started. which is 2 kilometers. Then I did the 5K. So at least I'm copied.
Sharp Tozama, thank you so much.
Yeah. Not bad at all.
Oh, to Annalisa Salman, I need that shoe detergent so bad.
Let's go.
R.I.P. to the sneaker lady. The sneaker sneaker lady. To the sneaker I dearly love so bad. I'm even sad while typing this. I used to wear it every other day because it was just so comfortable. Guess what? I would use damp cloth. Because it was white. I thought Domeme was
Whoa, can't Domeme yellow.
One time, minding my own business at the shop, nako ndikhubeka kwitroli, ndakhubeka kweqi ubonzi omkhulu.
Amani. Akayifunda kahle le. Uthini ngoku Annalisa? Oh, Nkosi yami.
Uthi ngenye imini minding my own business at the shop. Ndikhubeka kwitroli, ndakhubeka kweqi ubobzi. That was the end of my
sweet little comfy shoe.
No, you were already ruining your shoe. Your shoe was committing suicide because we fucking Domeme.
Yes.
Oh my
so
God.
seyithambile phaya ebhonsini. Ityiwa idomestos. So awunxibi wedwa uyanxiba ngapha nedomestos uyanxiba ngapha. I-picture isihlangu unxitywa abantu ababini. Siyakhawuleza mosuphela. Ngoba sizinxibi ngendlela efanayo. Thalita likekele lakhe inyawo ngapha. Elam lincinci so bhunzi yavela. Oh, get that sneaker detergent so bad.
Please get it. Ikhona take a lot.
Yes. Askis man ndayazi nalando othanda isihlangu.
Usinxibo koko.
Yo, ndayala othanda isihlangu. But you always feel, have you ever felt when uba ndiyasithanda esi sihlangu? Kombe, you know what? I know uba sizawude siphele ngenye imini.
Mandithenge
esinye.
I've thought that.
Have you ever done it? Okay. I bought the same pair of shoes twice. But not at the same time. Fortunately, mna zazisekhona ezinye on shelf by the time uphela kwezi.
Oh, damn. That's a short amount of time.
Yeah. Zazinxiba ndilikrwala ezo hlangu. Ndaphinda ndaqomba, these shoes would eat naxa ndingelo krwala. Yaphela, ndaziphinda.
Yeah, i-formal shoe.
Hey, andiyazi esihlangu esitshani. Yo, ngasihleke eso sihlangu. Esihlangu esibrown, slip on 10.
Oh.
Yayimecca.
Okay.
MECCA. Hey, it's like explaining this slang. We want those ourselves as slang because it's slang sound. Umphansi waso wayungathi kavela. Yabona lana it's not a flat so. Yazi umphansi kavela. Ndikufanisa. Ngayinxiba kavela. So ila rapper and then be gap njalo njalo. Oh man, but I've never done that again. Also, but askis man, but no, you can't do it right.
For sure.
Yeah, thank you for that, Annalisa, and R.I.P. Curie to your shoe.
Ngakulinga uphinde ufake idomestos esihlangwini.
Yeah. Ndedi innocent Shia. Ndedi innocent Shia. I have repeated the conversation about planning, hoping for the future 3 times now because I want it to marinate in my mind. It has really changed my experience. Ooh. It has really changed my perspective. Ucho innocentia. Yeah, man. Hey. Sobering chats. Very sobering chats. And I think as we alluded to before, we're so grateful that we can have those sobering chats. Because sometimes we don't know why things don't happen. Up until we find out the reason why they don't happen is because we don't, A, think that they can happen, B, we don't plan for them to happen. And yeah, I mean, in all of that, there's choice. And not making a choice is making a choice. So, yeah. No, thank you for that. I'm glad. Nam, I think, I can do it manchomi. Because I think the end I bugala nam guy one kandi. Ngome mnandi iyapindwa. That's okay.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you for that.
Utu Pumzet P. We regret to inform you.
Wow, my brother.
I absolutely hate it. Recently saw something 80. If you do regret and you're sorry, then the kashemos.
To regret, Pura.
Oh, you really don't regret it. I think it's the recruiters just trying to be nice.
Absolutely.
On the board, indeed, no feeling is fine now.
Wow.
I've been feeling off for the past few months. Your pods kept me sane and entertained. Love how you tackle every topic and how relatable it is. So don't forget to love each other. Tamzubelel never misses that party event.
Hayi Shani. Awuyazi like you're evengeleni kubhatala matyala. Okay, ulibala njani ubhatala matyala.
Also, Masite sifumane date yomtshato.
Yo, we regret to inform you.
So that sizoplana kakhle singaboni reels zikamakoti on TikTok. Hi Pumzet.
Ngimaka ihlose nje. Let's take it back a step. Hey, kufuneka senze episode ke sithethe ngento ba ndizayithini lanto ye guest list. Oh, ndizayithini.
Okay, go
Ansena worry.
Okay, go Shelis.
Oh, ayifundile.
Babe khona last time akabangabikho this time.
Yabaza abantu. Dayidi ethetha loo nto leyo kubarhathu ndithi hayi ke guys ke okhoyo ngoku. Ngawudedela abanye. Yoba bona umlahleke. Alendlela ifani ba inoba uphambene phakatsho kuwe. Abalihleka futhi abahlali. So, abanye bamaye bangena bephuma ke. This week is a listing next week. Yandijwayela. Unujwayelwa kaloku. Sana. Then ke obviously algorithm yavela ngapha algorithm ithi hey, here's how you select a guest list. If you haven't spoken to them in 3 months, hey, sixabanisa lento kanje ndiyicini. Oh, asixabanisa. Asixabananga. I just haven't spoken in 3 months. Ngokanzombiza lo muntu. Buti.
Sabalo kumlolisa.
Hey, Pumzet Buddha. Saba kuwe? We, don't fika igcwele abantu bakho ngale list yena lezayibona.
I've invited one person.
Nakhona.
I should have had my own list.
Nyakathisini. Thetha inyama.
I didn't have a list.
You should have had what?
I should have had.
Let's have this conversation on an episode. Are you joking? I should have had my own list.
Hey, we kabatenta labafumana list.
Ngabandizeleyo.
Andikusalanga.
Without you, I wouldn't be here on this podcast.
Exactly.
Imagine, maybe if you weren't born,
Because
maybe I wouldn't be getting married.
why?
Kaya mhlawumbe ngenathatha kudala ngento wrong.
Why? Why?
I'm not stressed.
Why?
I'm just saying, Kuti, life, your whole life is changed by one thing.
Yeah, true.
Ibomi bakho bonke is changed by one thing.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe awukho wena sister Ramendala. Then, you know, I grew up not being able to watch someone to teach me what not to do. Yeah. Yeah. But, or whatever, like literally, your life can be changed by like one thing.
No, 100%. Kanye ngolipara nje.
What?
Elithandayo i-community.
Ngingakwazi utreata amantombi because andawazi uba amantombi atreatwa njani. Because bengenasystem.
Rubbish.
Yeah, wild, bro. Is it you? I can't get the egg.
What do you limitless title? Yo, I once sent a follow-up to ask why am I not a suitable candidate. They had no explanation and they moved me to the next round.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Still didn't get hired. Because I'm making that answer. I want to move on.
I don't know why. I don't know how I'd feel about that.
About what?
I'd also be like, about asking about why. Okay, yeah, as well.
No, that's crap because you already said I'm not suitable. How am I suitable now because I asked you why? I'm obviously not suitable still. How you're playing with games with me.
Yeah, it's a difficult one.
And now Zungai, even if you
this
think
is
that
the whole cake, because it goes back to kalonda ufuna lo msebenzi.
Exactly.
Umsebenzi wana hayi ndiyawufuna. Ewe basile abantu bapha phathi. Ndiyawufuna umsebenzi. Yeah.
And now you have to go to the second interview. Oh no, guy.
And you have to show up and
put your best foot forward.
And show them what they were gonna miss. This is too much of a mind game for me, bro. Still not getting hired as the pit, though.
No, 100%.
I was hoping the story was gonna end in a nice way, but I've been there for 5 years and now they can't get rid of me. Can you? Askis tato man, askis tatos. Okay, we've already seen this one.
My fault. I did that.
Yeah. So Uthuli Malekane uti. Oh, I was so sad for you guys. I had a friend who was meant to run, and it was his first marathon. I just realized that I haven't checked Ubaunjani since he couldn't run. Ooh, I'm sure I'm cancelled. I'll go cancel. No, right. And when you do talk to your friend, hopefully by now, Titile nine.
Yeah.
What it is on though?
So right, I'm cancelled.
No. You understand? Let's have a where to from here. Nah, you. Ngokola nje under general cho. Andakchekisa man. Then ngenye imini pity about that marathon. So that you also don't take him back there. I mean, I had people commenting about, Zuko, ese skipper kule episode. Asana ngoba sesicimba sihilishile. So yeah.
Kandani hilishanga. Oh man. Oh, why would I do this?
Upinki. Okay. Undeti Innocentia, I have repeated the conversation 3 times. Yeah, we've done that. And then Upink Unicorn. Guys, stop it. No, stop it.
Who's guys?
Band handles. Underscore dash something dot. Pink Unicorn Uti. Okay. I wanted to meet Talita. Next live session days. Ababantu basoloko besithi siyeza kwi next session. Bangayezi. Jongan, it's simple the way, guys, ne? Just tell us, because we also know sometimes, you intend to do something and then no. Yabo. So in this ngayenza yabo, ungafaka like send imali yabo, send njalo njalo. Indoni yaka Capitec. That's not for the card. Cash send e-wallet njalo njalo ne. Instant cash. Yeah, man, ndiyazazi bonke. Ngabantu abasikolothayo bangafuna usibhatayo mntanami hayi. Standard Bank yes, instant money so.
Icima usuya.
Kaba ka investe kaba bayingxaki waxeba akekho iwet. Ningasigcinisa yalana ngumntana ugcinise umzali imali for ba ubufuna into ethile but uzazibuza ikhiphi. Ningasigcinisa imali guys yamatikiti ukwenza ba next time xa kukho show sifele sithi
nali ticket lakho
so you understand? And I'm not talking about anything much. Thetha mhlambi R50 ngenyanga, R30, R80, yabo njalo njalo.
80.
Yeah, 80.
Oh.
Yeah. Not 80 because I be hit 10 rand. Oh, but it's about 20 rand is 4 like instant money. Okay, sharp.
Okay, thanks for that. Financial advice.
This is financial advice.
Thank you so much for that, Pink Unicorn. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I think that's it, huh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Zonke episodes zale veki bazalwana ziphawu 40 minutes.
Zophinda zimane zit 15
Yes. Ayingonyaka wodwa ophelayo nathi ngokunjalo siyalandela apha emva kwawo.
Siyaphela. Thanks guys for joining us. Thank you so much for your comments. We absolutely appreciate them. So phinda sidibane pha kule veki izayo xa siphinde saza pha kwi-Bling Line.
Natso ke lo gama ke nisasilindile ba masibuye nawubukela ke nezinye episode ni catch up ni comment njalo yonke lonto leyo imnandi.
See you next week. Dingalibali. Tandanani. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling Line.